So, I just got back from the hobby shop in Dayton, out on, right off of Miamisburg Centerville Road. And I picked up some stuff for the Wraith, and I figured I would do a little unboxing for you guys. It's not really an unboxing, it's a bag, but the first thing, Hot Racing heavy duty aluminum servo saver. Big plus. You guys will be wondering what else I could have got. Well, here's some body clips. Oh, body clips. Everybody needs body clips. Shut up. But, piece de resistance. Boom. That is a Reefs 500. Let's crack this bad boy open here. Didn't know that the Hobby Shop Dayton had reefs. It's pretty cool. It'd be even cooler if they had three brothers too, but I digress. Machining looks good. I don't see any burrs on the case or anything. Allen head screws. See how long this cable is. Decently long. I mean, not too long, not too short. Plenty long enough. Let's see what they send hardware-wise. The Reef servo you get. Looks like a double-sided servo horn, a single-sided horn, little rubber cushions and bushings. You get mounting screws and servo horn screw. The real question is, did they send me any stickers? Nope. Nope, just paperwork. Let's get this open for you guys. Should have bought a hobby knife while I was out there. I'll be posting an install video later tonight, but don't rush me. I've got a full day planned, so it might be late tonight. Like, you guys might not even see any sun coming through the window tonight. Well, until next time.